Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 10 English Medium, Subject Maths, Chapter number 1. Solve. In previous lecture we have to solve question number 1 of exercise 1.1. Now continue exercise 1.1. First question we have to see in last lecture. HCF of two number. Here first number is 135 and next number is 225. Now first step is our select which number is bigger. So in two number 225 is greater than 135. Now using Euclid's algorithm division, A is equal to BQ plus R. So 225 is equal to 135 multiplied by some number plus addition of remainder. So 225 is divided by 135. First divisible by 1. So now 135. Subtraction of two number 130 first 0 and 90. So 135 multiplied by 1 and remainder is 90. Now we have to similar last question. 135 right here, remainder right here is also same, multiplied by 1 plus, because 135 divided by 90, so 135 divided by 90, answer divisible by 1, so 1 and remainder, it means 135 minus 90. 190, remainder is 45, so 45. Now first write this term n plus, here write remainder 45 into 2 is equal to 90, so remainder is not, and now remainder is 0. This number indicate HCF of two number. So our final answer is HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. So in similar all questions and solve when the remainder is 0. This number, it means value of B represented the HCF of given number. Now move on question number 2. In question number 2 we have to given the odd integers in form of 6q plus 1. Odd integers in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5, where q is some integers. So solve this question and prove this. Odd integers in form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So same, prove that by using Euclid's algorithms division method. In Euclid's algorithm division, A is equal to BQ plus R. We have to see in question here 6 into Q. It means value of B is equal to 6. So previous lecture we have to study value of B is equal to 6, then value of R is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to last value is 5, because we have to take 6 and division 6 by 6, so division continues, so not possible. So value of R, it means remainder will be 0, 1, 2, dot, dot, 5 up to 5. So we have to return as 0 greater than or equal to R is less than to 5, value of 5. Now take q is some integers. So solve next using first value of r equal to 0. Let r equal to 0, we get a is equal to bq plus r. Now value of a is equal to value of b is equal to 6, therefore 6. Q, value of r equal to 0, therefore value of a is equal to 6 into q. Now let r equal to 1, we get a is equal to bq plus r. Value of b is equal to 6, value of q as it is, plus value of r. Therefore answer is 6q plus r. Now let r equal to 2, we get a is equal to bq plus r, b is equal to 6, q as it is, and r is equal to 2. Now in these two terms we have to take common 2, therefore remains part is 3q plus 1, and 2 is sum, and this is some integers we have to take up. In similar way, r equal to 3, we get a is equal to 6q plus 3. In similar way, we have to take common 3 to get. Now first term is given 6q plus 1, another term is 6q plus 3. So here 6q plus 3. For r equal to 4, we get a is equal to bq plus r. Now value of a as it is 6 into q plus 4. So also we have to take a common 2 on both term. Remains part is 3q plus 2, and this is some integers we have to take on. Now value of r equal to 5, we get a is equal to 6q plus 5. So value of r equal to 5, we get 6q plus 5. Value of r equal to 4, so answer will be a is equal to common 2q plus r. Value of 3 is equal to this term, value of 2 is equal to this term. So all 6 answer we have to compare that. A is equal to 6q plus 1, a is equal to 6q plus 3, and 6q plus 5. Other than answer 2, here 2 common, when r equal to 4, here also 2 common, and we have 2 is also. It means a is equal to 6q, a is equal to 6q plus 2, and a is equal to 6q plus 4. All are divisible by 2. It means is not all odd integers in form of 6q plus 1. So all this answer, we reject answer of this 3, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4. Reason behind this cancelling, the all answer is divisible by 2. Here common 2 is also common 2, and is also here 2. 2 into 3, so 2 common. Now this is 2 common between all 3 answers, so is not odd integers, is a even integers. So our odd integers is only 6q plus 1, 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, and 6q plus 5. This all term is odd integers. So 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4 divisible by 2. Therefore, we say that 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, and 6q plus 5 are odd integers where q is some integers. Value of q in any integers. Take. So next question. one question here. Member of 616 march behind the army band of 32 member. Find the maximum members in one column. So here word underline that question maximum, and when the maximum word have to see there, so you all compulsory find HCF of given term. So maximum word underline in this question. Revise once again. 616 member army march behind the army bands of 32 member column wise. So the maximum number, it means maximum member in one column to find, therefore maximum word. So find HCF of given term. So all included HCF of 616 and 32. So given HCF answer is given value of maximum member in a one column. So by using same equation, A is equal to BQ plus R and underline maximum word. When you show maximum, you compulsory find HCF. When you show minimum, less, this type of meaning sentence, so you get LCM. Study LCM in next exercise, only HCF for exercise 1.1. So HCF you get focus on maximum word. So 616 is bigger than 32, therefore 616 is equal to 32 multiplied by some number plus remainder. It means 616 divided by 32. In this answer give value of HCF. Value of HCF of given maximum member in one row. So solve using, we have to see first question, multiply and remainder. First this term is right here, remainder is right here, and solve continue. When R is 0, stop, and the value of B is given our HCF of these two numbers. So solve in this way according to question number 1. Similar as to solve and find value of HCF. Now next question. In next question, Euclid division lemma, square of any positive integers. Next question, square of any positive integers is either form of 3m and 3m plus 1, in a form of 3m plus 1. So here given hint, after completed question, given hint 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2 take some integers. Now square of any positive is form of 3m plus 1. So here 3, therefore B is equal to 3, therefore value of R is greater than or equal to into 2. It means value of R is equal to 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. Now take some integers 3q in a form of 3q, because given him 3q plus 1 and 3q plus 2 taken. So first we have to take square of any positive integers is either form of 3m plus 1. Answer prove that 3m plus 1 anyway. So first square, because we have to take one integers, we have to take some integers 3q. Now square of this term, square of these positive integers, it means 3q square. Answer is 9q square. So common 3q. So 9 we have to take 3 into 3. It means 3q into 3q. So 3q as a m. Now, so square means 3q into 3q. So here 3q is given. Therefore, in form of 3m. So in place of all, we have to take m. Therefore, 3 into m, and remains all part we have to see here is some integers. It means take m as a some integers. Now take 3q plus 1 for some integers. Because r equal to 1, we get answer 3q plus 1. In similar way, here we take a is equal to bq plus r. Now b is equal to 6, so here b is equal to 3. Therefore, r equal to 0. We have get 3q. R equal to 1, 3q plus 1. R equal to 2, 3q plus 2. And all these value we have to square of integers, because here instruction that we have to take square and find answer. So square of this term, a is equal to 3q plus 1, because r equal to 1. Now take square, therefore square of 3q plus 1. Square of 3q plus 1. Here a plus b whole square. Therefore first term square 9q square plus 2ab. 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b plus b square. B square means 1 square. Therefore 9q square plus 3 into 2, 6q plus 1. In two term, we have to take common 3q. 3q commons, therefore remains part is 3 into q plus 2 plus 1. Now take m. We have to take value of m. Therefore 3q m into 3q plus 1. 3q plus 1 are some integers, and take value of 3q plus 1 into m. So remains part is m into 3q plus 1. So prove that second term answer 3m plus 1. It means all value we have to take 3m plus 1. In also only 3 common, and also you get answer 3m plus 1. Q not common, so answer will be same. Q will be common and Q will be not common. So not matter there. Now last, a is equal to bq plus r, where r equal to 2, so we get 3q plus 2. Now square, because here instruction that square of some integers. Therefore 3q plus 1 2 whole square. Now 3q square means 9q square. In similar way here 2ab, it means 3q into 2 into 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12, 12q plus 4, 2 square is equal to 4. Now we have to prove that 3q plus 2, and here 3m plus 1. So in this all term 3q square plus 12q, 4 as a written as 3m plus 1. So all 3 term we have to take common, and this all term common 3, and remains part is 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1, and all part we have to take on m. M is some integers, and given answer is 3m plus 1. So we have to prove that square of some integers in a form of 3m plus 1, also 3m plus 1. Here we can also create 3m plus 1, because instead we have to common 3 and remains part. In both term we have to common prove this method, and alternate method, another method is take common 3 and remains part is 3q square plus 2q plus 1, and all term it means 3q square plus 2q, take m, therefore 3 into m plus 1. So prove this method and also go by this method. So here all question will be solved, revise once again and remain this equation. So thank you friends.